Good morning, everybody. This is Rashima Walker with the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how are you doing today? You know, every week I come to you about all the different great career opportunities in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. This week's no different. We have so many great career opportunities that I want to make sure you don't miss anything. So let's start off with the weekly job board. This is just a very small list of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the local area. So why don't you check them out? Now, we also have flyers from a lot of our employers who have job openings in Craven, Jones, and Pamlico. So why don't you check out their flyers? Now, if you want more information, the qualifications, the skills, all that information, all you gotta do is visit, the website, www.ncworks.gov. You can search by location, you can search by employer, and it'll give you all the information that you need. Now, if you do not have an account, we encourage you to create an account. And that's very simple. All you gotta do is go to what again? That's right, www.ncworks.gov. Create your username and a password. Make sure you have a good telephone number and email address. And if you already have a resume, go ahead and upload it into your profile. Again, this helps our local employers who have NCWorks business accounts look for talent like you. So you want to make sure that resume is up there. Now, if for some reason you forgot your password or it's been a while since you logged into NCWorks, no problem. You can give us a call here at 252-514-4828, and we can assist you in getting your password reset. Now, in preparation of the Craven Works Job Fair and Resource Event, we are hosting so many different workshops in Pamlico County, in Havelock, and also here at our Career Center. So you want to go ahead and get signed up early. Make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms so you don't miss anything. So this Friday, we're going to start the Marketing You series here at the Career Center from 9:30 to 11:30, and it's going to be dealing with resumes and cover letters. Now, for those who are in Pamlico County, guess what? We're coming your way again Friday from 4 to 6 at the Pamlico Public Library, and we're going to talk about how to plan your career the right way. We're going to cover LinkedIn. We're going to cover resumes and cover letters, and we're going to cover the NCWorks basics. Now, in summer, we covered the weekly job board. And you know what I tell you, there's a very small list of all the great career opportunities that were posted in the last 2 weeks. We also highlighted several companies who have vacancies now, and they need them filled now. So that's you want to reach out to them, okay? We also highlighted several workshops that's taking place. Again, Friday, week February 4th. Here, we got the resume workshop taking place from 9:30 to 11:30, and we also going to be at Pamlico Public Library to do Plan Your Career the Right Way workshop from 4 to 6. We also got several different workshops taking place, so again, you do not want to miss it. And all this, remember, make plans for the 2022 Craven Works Job Fair and Resource Event. I know there's a lot going on. Hold on, because we just getting started. So thank you for watching. Take care, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.